So we're gonna make a Bijou. Now, Bijou is the French word for jewel, and this cocktail was created in the late 1800s by Harry Johnson. It was also featured in the Bartender's Manual. Now, this is one of several New Orleans classics out there that really withstood the test of time. And we're gonna make it with gin, green chartreuse, sweet vermouth, orange bitters, and we've got a lemon here for our garnish for lemon zest, and a cherry. In this case, I'm using a maraschino cherry. Definitely want to use a fresh cherry if they're available. Now we're going to serve it up in a cocktail glass, so I have the glass chilling here with ice water. So let's get our mixing glass, and we'll start off with our gin, and equal parts of everything. We're going to do 1 ounce of gin. Follow that up with 1 ounce of green chartreuse. Now, green chartreuse is a recipe that was created by monks in the French Alps hundreds of years ago. It's actually protected by a vow of silence, the recipe, so I'm not going to find out what that one's made from. Let's add 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Now, we will add 2 ounces of orange bitters. You've got some freedom with orange bitters, and really I just did 3 instead of 2, but not an exact science there. So let's go ahead and add some ice. Now, since this is purely alcohol, we're gonna go ahead and stir instead of shake. You definitely want to make sure that you stir quite a bit, because we're gonna serve this without ice in a cocktail glass. So it's going to take a lot more than it would just shaking. So don't cut any corners on it. You don't want a warm cocktail. All right, that should do. And we'll go ahead and dump out our ice water in a nice cool glass, and we'll strain into the chilled cocktail glass. And now we're going to take our lemon, get a nice zest, squeeze that in, drop a cherry, and that'll end up at the bottom of the drink. And that's a Bijou. Au revoir.